Hello and welcome to HanksPrecisionGunParts.com. What I want to show you now is the Hankins direct ignition system for the break action guns, and the Savage and Remington pre-fit barrels works really well in those also. So what we've got here is a 9/16 24 plug. I kept it short and skinny to work in the smaller diameter barrels. If you have one of my guns that have been converted over with the his system and your break action CVAs, Scouts, Encores, several different available versions, you can switch it out with this breech plug and start shooting the direct ignition modules if you want to. There's a video on the modules, tell you how they work. You prime them, screw them into the plug, load the gun. Everything is right here in this system that you're going to need. The kit comes complete with the modules, the breech plug, and a shell holder. So for you guys that want to give this a try, just for something different, they are available at HanksPrecisionGunParts.com.